Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is difference between essential qualifications and desirable qualifications relating to combined graduate level exam conducted by Staff Selection Commission. Dear students, every year Staff Selection Commission notifies for filling up the various posts through the combined graduate level exam, and recruitment is done to various departments of ministries or various government departments, organizations, statutory bodies, constitutional bodies. In this way, around 33, 34 to 36 type of the posts of various departments are the filled up. When the notification comes by Staff Selection Commission, you will see that in the notification, whether it is 33 type of the post or 36 type of the post, qualification column, you will find that difference is there. Two types are mentioned. One is essential educational qualifications. Second is mentioned desirable qualifications. It is not mentioned all cases. In some posts are there where it is mentioned essential qualifications and desirable qualifications. Out of 34 or 36 posts, I am giving some examples. Post like assistant auditor, gazetted, group B gazetted, assistant accountant, assistant accounts officer, gazetted officer group B. In this case, what happens? Educational qualifications are there in the two ways, that is essential qualification, second one is desirable qualifications. Also one more post is there, that is also you will find assistant in National Company Law Appellate Tribunal NCLAT. In this case also education qualifications are mentioned in the two ways. One is in essential qualification, second one is the desirable qualifications. I am giving another example, research assistant in National Human Rights Commissions. In this post also, two types of the qualifications are mentioned. One is essential qualification, second one is the desirable qualifications. In this way, four type of posts are there, particularly in the combined graduate level exam, like assistant audit officers, assistant accounts officer, then research assistant in the National Human Rights Commission, and assistant in the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. In these four departments and four posts, educational qualifications are the two types. That means essential qualification and the desirable qualifications. Now the question comes to mind, and one more point is that actual, besides these the four posts, all other posts, that is the simple graduates. Now dear students, question may come to your mind, why it is essential then desirable, why it is mentioned. Generally, as we are the students, as you are the students going to appear the combined graduate level exam, here I am focusing only the combined graduate level exam conducted by the Staff Selection Commission. I am not going to talk about the educational qualifications of essential and desirable in either UPSC or any other boards, any other exam bodies. Only I am here also discussing exam by the Staff Selection Commission. I am taking you one by one. The difference between educational qualifications, essential qualifications and the desirable qualification. First difference is that actual educational qualification is required for applying a particular post or for a particular job, and the desirable qualifications is specialized for a particular job or a particular you can say that is particular applicable for that job. In this case, actually what happens, when particular educational qualifications are there, specified for a particular job means actual that is must. It can never be avoided. When the desirable qualification is there, it is specifies that that means specialized for a particular job. That means without the desirable qualification, you are also eligible for that post. Means you can appear the exam, you may be the selected. There is no obstacle for it. Second difference I am taking with dear students, difference is that actual essential qualification is mandatory, whereas desirable qualification is not mandatory. Means actual essential qualification is must. Why it is essential? Because you must have that qualifications, otherwise you are not eligible to appear that exam. Desirable qualification just like the additional advantage, having the extra qualifications you can say. But the candidates not having desirable qualifications are also equally eligible for that post. Then I am taking you to the difference number third point, which makes the difference between the essential and desirable qualifications. And third point, what I want to say, suppose a candidate without desirable qualification, he or the she will not find it difficulty in the department or in their the service careers, because in the particular stipulated time when the promotion comes, he will get the promotion, he or the she will take the promotion, she will not find any the difficulty. Means actual desirable qualification, not having the desirable, suppose candidates those selected without desirable qualification, they will not find any difficulty in the departments. Then I am taking you to the another areas. Suppose merit list. I am just also discussing about the merit list. A candidate having only essential qualifications. Secondly, the candidate having essential plus desirable qualifications. So now see, the candidate having essential qualification got 90 marks. Candidate having essential plus desirable qualification got only 1 mark less. So essential got 80 marks. This the essential plus desirable candidate got the 79 marks. So far the merit is concerned, desirable qualification will never be considered for the gap of 1 mark, because merit is merit. Means actual candidate who has got 80 marks having only the essential qualifications, he will be selected, or you can say he will be the declared, or he will be qualified, whereas the 79 will not qualify. This is the merit criteria, how the merit is considered. In this case, actual desirable qualification does not matter when the merit is counted. I am taking the next point. Only in that means merit case, desirable is counted when there is a tie-off. When the two candidates are there for a particular job, one is with essential qualifications, second one is essential plus desirable qualifications. Both have got the same mark. In this case, what happens actually, preference will be given to the candidate having the essential plus desirable qualification. In this case, actual, he is the little bit ahead in comparison to the other candidates having only the essential qualifications. Then I am taking to the other areas in departmental exams. In the departmental exams, what happens actually, a candidate having the essential qualifications only, so they have to face all the steps of the departmental exams. If some candidates having essential plus desirable qualifications, in some cases he may be the deprived of the departmental exams because already he has that qualifications. So that is a advantage in the departmental exams. And particular I am giving you in this case, the two particular posts are there, that is the AAO you can say, or the assistant audit officer or assistant accounts officer, comptroller auditor general's office. In this case, what happens to your students, always the departmental exams are there. When the departmental exams are there, those are with the merit list, they have to face the exam and to take the promotions. And those have the additional qualifications, so they may be exempted as per their qualification in some cases. That is an advantage. So when particular in these the two posts. So in this way, actually, you can say the essential and the desirable qualifications have been defined. Dear students, once again I want to tell you that actually If you are having only the essential qualifications, you are 100% eligible. You should not be worried for that. But candidates having the desirable qualification, in some cases, exceptional cases, they may be the some mileage for them. Actually, they may be weightage may be given to them, or the preference they may get some of the preference in the service sectors. So now, dear students, in today's lectures, just I wanted to clarify all these things, because while you see the notifications, already these things are there. So you should not be confused when you read the educational qualifications column, essential qualifications and the desirable qualifications. So dear students, before concluding my lecture, once again, my request to you to like my lecture, to like my videos, or the like my channels, and subscribe my channel if you are the first viewer, and also please share my the channel or my the lecture with your the friends and the colleagues. This is for today. Thank you very much, dear student.